guys. We are going to be showing you the 5 steps to connecting in marriage.
Hi,
I'm Corky.
I'm Dennis.
And this is
Love Happens.
Oh, we're in the shade. Too shady, maybe.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. So we are right now in Lake Havasu, and we have devised a really fun plan for you guys.
And each day, we're going to give one of the steps. Today is the first step.
Today is the first step, and it is about fixing yourself up for each other. Yeah. And I do.
Me too.
Me too, except when I don't. Sometimes I go around in my PJs, and that's probably not such a good idea. So we all have things to work on, and that's fine.
The idea is to look good for your significant other. Look good for them, so when they look at you, they don't go,
what did I do?
I don't want to look at you today. No.
Shower, hair, wash your hair.
Shave.
Yeah, ladies, shave.
Yeah.
November no shave month is almost over.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see, what else is there? To shave.
Comb your hair.
Yes, comb your hair.
Brush your teeth.
Definitely brush your teeth.
The basic.
Floss.
Yeah, the basic hygiene.
The basic
stuff.
hygiene, yeah.
And put on some clothes that you're comfortable in. They don't have to be brand new, but they need to be cleaned and looking good, so that the men can look handsome for their ladies, and ladies can look handsome or beautiful for the men.
Yeah.
And it's a simple thing to do, really. You've just kind of gotten out of the habit, maybe gotten a little lazy or gotten an attitude you don't care anymore.
I don't do that.
The point is, if you want to start connecting in your marriage, first have to start looking better.
And feeling clean.
And feeling clean.
Yes.
So that you can look at each other and appreciate what the other person looks like. I mean, that's the first step, right?
Yeah.
That's what got you started in the first place. You said,
wow. Oh, yeah. You go to
woman.
Yeah.
So, without having to go and have a lot of work done, you can just do the basics.
Yeah, just clean up, shower, shave.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of makeup on if you feel inclined to. Some women just don't need to, and some women feel like, yeah, it'd probably be a good idea. That's me. It'd be a good idea for me to put some makeup on.
So that's the first step. It's very simple.
First step, to connect. Yes.
All right. Now, I want you to listen to tomorrow's podcast, because we'll give you the next step.
The next step, this whole week is going to be about connecting. Now, we missed yesterday, but we were traveling yesterday.
Yeah, we had to get here in the first place.
We were on the road, yeah. So it's about connecting and wanting to be connected and touching. And I'm touching you.
You're touching me?
I'm touching you.
Oh, I'm touching you.
So to connect. So it's that simple. Just clean, shower, shave.
Yeah.
Smell
better.
Smell better.
Look decent.
Don't put too much perfume on or cologne. That's for me anyway. I can't breathe then. But yeah, I think that's it. Yeah.
All right.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. So we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Give you the next step.
Yeah, and don't be hard on each other now.
No.
Okay. Don't be blaming and all that sort of stuff right off the bat. It's, oh, you were supposed to get clean, or you're supposed to take a shower. It's like, hey, you want to take a shower? I don't know how that came out.
That sounds good to me.
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye now. Talk to you.